Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on or activate safe mode and might as well turn on to normal mode. Okay, let's start. First is you need to press Windows and R key together, or you can simply locate the Windows icon here, do a right click and go for run. The moment you do that, this new window will appear. Here, you need to type for msconfig or msconfig, then click OK to proceed. After that, this system configuration will appear in your screen. Here, it has five options. It goes with General, Boot, Services, Startup, Tools. In this manner, we will be going to Boot. Okay? Here, under the Boot options, you need to go for Safe Boot. And once you turned on Safe Boot, don't forget to turn on Network because if you turned on Safe Boot again without this network, most probably your network will not function. So make sure that both of Safe Boot and network is on. And then click on apply and then OK. After that, your system configuration will ask you to restart your computer. Okay? Here, just have to click on restart, and the moment you restarted your computer, you will be in your safe mode. Okay? So let's say, for example, that you want to turn on your normal mode again. Just have to do the same process. Can press Windows and R key together and then type msconfig and click OK to continue. After this new window will appear and go to boot again and turn this off. And I mean, before turning this off, go to minimal and then unmark this. And then click on apply and then OK. After that, you just have to restart your computer, and once you restarted it, you will be in normal mode. Okay? So, those are the easy steps on how to activate safe mode or normal mode in your Windows. Hopefully, this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.